Do you want to improve your academic writing? Have you ever wished for a tool that could help you draft impeccable, error-free essays or research papers? If so, your wish is about to come true. Today, we'll explore how Grammarly, an innovative writing assistant, can help you elevate your academic writing to new heights. Imagine this, a platform that not only corrects your spelling and grammar, but also enhances your writing style and checks for plagiarism. That's Grammarly for you. Our first step is quite straightforward. Head over to the Grammarly website and sign up for a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, click on New to start a fresh document. Here's the fun part. Grammarly lets you choose the type of writing you're working on. For our purposes, select Academic. Now, you have two options. You can either start writing directly in the Grammarly editor or upload an existing document. The choice is yours. As you write or after you upload your document, Grammarly starts working its magic. It automatically checks your text, highlighting issues with grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. Next, review Grammarly's suggestions by clicking on the underlined words or phrases. You have the freedom to accept or ignore each suggestion. One of Grammarly's standout features is its explanations. When you click on a suggestion, Grammarly will often explain why your original text may be incorrect, allowing you to learn and grow as a writer. But Grammarly isn't just about correcting mistakes. It also offers style enhancements to make your academic writing more engaging and coherent. Pay close attention to these suggestions. Did you know that Grammarly also has a plagiarism checker? It's a handy tool that scans your text for any unintentional duplication from other sources. In your document settings, you can tailor Grammarly's suggestions according to your writing style, be it academic, business, or casual. After making your edits and improvements, remember to save your document within Grammarly. You can also export the corrected document in various formats, including Microsoft Word. But we're not done yet. It's crucial to proofread your document after applying Grammarly's suggestions. This ensures that your writing maintains its intended meaning. Then, run Grammarly one more time for a final check. It's always good to catch any remaining errors or improvements. Here's a tip. Share your document with peers, professors, or academic advisors for additional feedback and revisions. After making final revisions based on the feedback received, use Grammarly one last time to ensure your document is polished and error-free. And there you have it. Your well-crafted, Grammarly-checked academic writing is ready for submission. So, the next time you're working on an academic paper, remember to use Grammarly. It's like having a personal writing assistant at your fingertips. With Grammarly, you can write with confidence, knowing that your work is clear, effective, and error-free. Happy writing!